Welcome to Study Hour. If you're gearing up for NEET, CSIR-UGC NET, or any big biology exam, you're in the right place. Let's break down the human bone system, structure, origin, naming, and function, in a way that sticks in your mind and gives you the edge on test day. Let's kick things off with the basics. The human skeleton has 206 bones. It's split into two main divisions, the axial skeleton, which forms the central axis of your body, and the appendicular skeleton, which is basically your limbs and girdles. This incredible framework gives us shape, supports how we move, and shields our vital organs. Now let's zoom in on bone groupings and their counts. This is the sort of table you want to have locked in for exams. The skull has 22 bones. The vertebral column, 26. Ribs and sternum together make 25. Arms and hands pack in 60 bones, and the same goes for legs and feet, another 60. If you can recall these numbers and categories quickly, you'll breeze through those tricky MCQs. So, where do all these bones come from? That's the process of ossification. There are two main types, intramembranous ossification, which forms flat bones like the skull, and endochondral ossification, which builds long and irregular bones, think femur and vertebrae, from cartilage templates. These origins are a common favorite for exam setters, so make sure you're clear on which bones come from which method. Next, let's talk about bone nomenclature. This just means how bones are named, and it's usually based on their shape, where they're found, or their special features. Long bones, femur. Short bones, carpals. Flat bones, like the sternum. Irregular bones, vertebrae. And sesamoid bones, like the patella, which are buried in tendons. If you connect the name to the shape or location, remembering them gets a lot easier. But bones do more than just sit there. They support your frame, protect organs like your brain and heart, help you move, store important minerals like calcium, and even produce blood cells in the bone marrow. Every one of those functions is a potential exam question, so don't skip them. So how does all this help in your exams? These topics pop up again and again in NEET biology, CSIR-UGC NET, and entrance tests. My tip: use diagrams, flashcards, and mnemonics to lock in these facts. The more you visualize and practice, the better you'll recall under pressure. If this video helped you prepare, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more study hour content. And hey, share this with friends who are prepping too. Good luck and keep studying smart.